Take a look at this sentence. I left my sunglasses on the left side of the beach. We are using the exact same word twice. These two identical words are performing two different grammatical jobs. One represents an action, while the other describes a location. Over the next 6 minutes, we are going to build a sentence deconstruction toolkit to help you identify all 9 English word classes. You'll need a pen and paper for this. We have a mandatory interactive exercise at the end of the video, so gather your materials now. Categorizing words allows you to see the hidden architectural mechanics of language, helping you understand exactly how sentences are built. Sentences are constructed using 2 fundamental materials. We'll start with lexical blocks, the words that provide the primary meaning of a phrase. Nouns are foundational blocks representing people, places, things, or ideas, like cat or love. Verbs are engines expressing action or state of being, like run. Adjectives modify nouns, like blue. Adverbs describe verbs or adjectives, telling how or when, like quickly. These 4 lexical classes carry the weight of the sentence. Without them, there is no narrative imagery to convey to a listener. To turn those blocks into a sentence, we need a second material, functional glue. These words explain the relationships between the lexical bricks. Prepositions, like in or on, show spatial relationships. Pronouns, like he, replace nouns. Determiners, such as the, clarify quantity. Conjunctions, like and, link phrases together. Finally, interjections are expressions showing strong emotion, like wow. While these words don't carry the main meaning, they provide the structural logic that makes complex communication possible. There is a vital rule to remember. A word's spelling doesn't always dictate its class. Its job within the sentence does. In "the dog will bark," the word is an action. But in "the tree bark was dark," it is a physical object, a noun. Similarly, run can be an action you perform every day, or it can be a noun used to describe an event you went for. This fluid shifting is efficient. It allows the English language to reuse words for different purposes, depending on where they are placed. To accurately categorize a word, you must analyze its immediate relationship to its neighbors in the sentence. Now, let's test your ability to deconstruct a sentence using your pen and paper. Deconstruct, the friendly woman wore a beautiful dress. Pause and write the classes. The and a are determiners. Friendly, beautiful are adjectives. Woman, dress are nouns. Wore is the verb. Now, classify left in these sentences. First is a verb. Second is an adjective. Completing this exercise shows that you can reverse engineer the logic behind the text you read and hear. To recap, we have 9 word classes: nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, pronouns, determiners, conjunctions, and interjections. You now have a framework to identify every word as either a foundational building block or the functional glue that holds it all together. If you found this useful, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step logic tutorials. Understanding how to classify these words is the first step toward creating clear, grammatically correct sentences that convey exactly what you intend.